So welcome back and join everyone. Dear students, previously already I discussed about what is US hegemony in world politics. We talks about the Gulf War first, which was taken place in 1991 by Senior Bush. Right, he was from Republican Party. Already I discussed a lot about the Clinton year. That was the year of peace. How he has promoted democracy during that particular period of time. Then the worst 9/11 attack already being discussed. Now the next, and that is again a formidable and very important in this particular phase in order to establish US hegemony in the world politics. That's the Gulf War II, or that's known as the Iraq invasion. Gulf War II or Iraq invasion. The Gulf War II, the Gulf War first, if you can remember the Gulf War first, it was by Senior Bush against Saddam Hussein. And what are the incidents? Saddam Hussein attacked Kuwait and tried to capture all the oil resources. So that the allied forces of 35 countries, they targeted Iraq, they had a war with Iraq, and Iraq lost the war. And the treaty and all those things being signed. After around a decade, you can say 7 or 8 years, that was during that particular phase, the period what I am talking about, that was the time period of Clinton. That was a little bit a peaceful time period. But in the latter period of time, once again you can say the Republican Party, they came into the power in 2002, and the second Gulf War being started. So already I told you 2001, 9/11 the attack took place, and कहीं ना कहीं सद्दाम हुसैन अल-कायदा को फंडिंग करते थे या उनसे डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली एसोसिएटेड थे. दैट कुड बी ऑल्सो अ रीज़न वाई द गल्फ वॉर टू. सो द गल्फ वॉर फर्स्ट भी सद्दाम हुसैन के अगेंस्ट में था, पर सद्दाम हुसैन को छोड़ दिया गया था आफ्टर द ट्रीटी. एंड नाउ विल बी हैविंग द गल्फ वॉर टू. It was started from 20th March 2003 to 1st of May 2003. Right, approximately for 42 days, and the first Gulf War was also for around 6 months, but the actual war was around for 43 days. So here also if you can see the war was actually for around 45 days, लेकिन सिविल वॉर एंड बाकी जो इंसर्जेंसी यहाँ पे भी लगभग 10 साल तक चला, बहुत लंबा तक चला. सो लेट्स हैव ए ग्लांसेस ऑफ the Gulf War II in between Junior Bush and Saddam Hussein. Right? So it was in between Junior Bush. He was the President of United States of America from Republican Party, and it's his allies, and Saddam Hussein, said to be the one of the worst, or you can say the dictator, one of the deadliest dictator you can say during that particular period of time. And this gentleman, he was the President of Iraq, belongs to Ba'ath Party. What are the causes of the Gulf War? Similar to the first Gulf War. First Gulf War किस लिए हुआ था? पेट्रोलियम रिसोर्सेज के लिए हुआ था. रिसोर्सेज के लिए that particular fight was there for the resources. USA wanted to have control on those oil-rich area. Exactly, the second one also like that. So what USA told that Iraq was having the weapon of mass destruction, WMD. फर्स्ट गल्फ वॉर में भी ये एक रीज़न था. वेपन ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन एंड बायोलॉजिकल वेपन ऑल्सो, एंड विच कैन बी यूज अगेंस्ट द मैनकाइंड, जिसमें कि वायरसेस होंगे और बहुत सारे. दैट्स अ डेंजर फॉर द ह्यूमैनिटी. So that was the first ever cause being given by USA, because they are having the weapons of the mass destructions and the mostly biological weapons. इसलिए उनके अगेंस्ट में उनको अटैक करके उसको रोकना होगा, आर्मामेंट्स को रोकना होगा. द सेकेंड एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, सद्दाम हुसैन्स गवर्नमेंट एंड द टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस अल-कायदा हैविंग अ क्लोज लिंक. सद्दाम हुसैन से कहीं ना कहीं से टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अल-कायदा को फंडिंग होता था. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट, अल-कायदा सुप्रीमो ओसामा बिन लादेन अटैक द Twin Towers and that 9/11 attack being done by him. So अमेरिका को वो रिवेंज भी लेना था. So the two important causes given you can say at that time, because Iraq was having the weapons of mass destructions and the biological weapons which is against humanity, इसलिए अटैक करेंगे, and they having the direct link with Al-Qaeda, that is the terrorist organization. So the war how it started. In March 2003, US forces invaded Iraq. and destroy Iraqi weapons of mass destruction. That is their plan. ये बोला गया कि हम जितना भी weapons of mass destruction है, biological weapons को सभी को हम destroy करेंगे, and the dictatorial rule of Saddam Hussein को ख़त्म करके will start democracy. So when weapon of mass destruction intelligence proved illusory and a violent insurgency arose, the war lost public support also. war तो चला, सद्दाम हुसैन को ओवरथ्रोन भी किया गया, वो अपने आप को कहीं पे हाइड आउट कर लिए, राइट. लेटर ऑन ही वाज बीइंग कैप्चर्ड, ट्राइड इन द कोर्ट, हैंग्ड, एंड द डेमोक्रेटिक इलेक्शंस वर held or restored, democracy restored over there with the help of the USA. But lots of manpower, they lost their life, both the army and the civilians. USA को बहुत नुकसान हुआ था. इंसर्जेंसी वहाँ पे बहुत लंबा टाइम तक चला था, सिविल वॉर वहाँ पे बहुत लंबा टाइम तक चला था. This is what you can see in this picture. It's very evident. So during the war, US and the allies, this is what the manpower you can see. United States of America itself, around 1,92,000 war personnel. United Kingdom has given 45,000. Australia around 2,000. Poland 194, and these are like that. So they are having around 3 lakh soldiers or 3 lakh armed personnel. And against them, the Iraqi armed forces itself was having 3,75,000. Then 12,000, 70 to 75,000, 30,000 means they are also having around 4 to 5 lakhs of this of the armed personnel. And the fight was in between these two. Lots of air attack being done. What the name of the operation? At exactly 5:34 a.m. Like in Baghdad, that's the Baghdad time, the Iraqi time you can say. 5:34 a.m. Baghdad time on 20th March 2003. The surprise military attack being done in Iraq. And there was no declaration of war earlier. कहीं वॉर डिक्लेयर नहीं करता, ये सरप्राइज अटैक किया गया था. सद्दाम हुसैन को इवन रेडी होने के भी टाइम नहीं मिल पाया. द 2003 इन्वेजन ऑफ इराक वाज लेड बाय यूएस आर्मी जनरल टॉमी फ्रैंक्स अंडर द कोड नेम ऑफ द ऑपरेशन का नाम था ऑपरेशन इराकी फ्रीडम. यूनाइटेड किंगडम्स also the partner of USA, and they have given their code name otherwise Operation Tilik. Australian, they have given the code name Operations Falconer, and the operation started. Already I told that this operation continued for about 42 days. Iraqi soldiers, they lost the battle and Saddam Hussein कहीं छुप गए. And immediately United States of America अपना आर्म फोर्सेस के हेल्प से सद्दाम हुसैन का सिस्टम को हटा के डेमोक्रेसी को धीरे धीरे रिस्टोर करने की कोशिश की. दैट वाज द टाइम ऑफ द सिविल वॉर एंड द इंसर्जेंसी, उसको भी कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश किया गया. सो व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ड्यूरिंग द इराकी वॉर? एटलीस्ट 189,000 people died directly from the war. This does not include the hundreds of thousands who died due to the war related hardship also. In 2002, the US government estimated that Iraq wars would cost around 50 to 60 billion US dollar. During the Iraqi war, 4,488 US service personnel were directly killed, and another 32,223 were severely injured. The United States military listed as missing 1,90,000 guns in the Iraqi war, including 1,10,000 AK-47s. Saddam Hussein was finally captured on December 13, 2003. You might have seen this video, you might have knew about this. 13 December 2003 में उनको पकड़ा गया. कहाँ पकड़ा गया? उनका फार्म हाउस में, टिक्रिट, नियर टिक्रिट फार्म हाउस था, राइट. एंड ही वॉज हाइडिंग इन ए नैरो डार्क होल. बेसमेंट में एक हाइड आउट्स बनाया गया था, राइट. मॉडी रूम्स, उसके अंदर वो छुपे हुए थे. उनको पकड़ा गया. देन कोर्ट में ट्रायल हुआ, and ultimately the capital punishment be given to him and hanged on 30th December 2006, and the restoration of democracy being done in Iraq. This is all about Iraqi War 2.